All right, so today, guys, I'm gonna give you guys the 411. Okay, so this is the lace that we are about to hook up and give it a nice natural look. Okay. All right, so now let's unbox the box, unbox the box. But yes, guys. All right, so let's see what we got in here. So in here we got the lace. All right, so I guess we'll get into that in like a couple seconds. But now we got the princess bandana where you wrap it right in front of your hair, in front of the edges to kind of get the edges nice and light. Now let's get into our laying our edges down brush. That's what we're going to call it. It's like a little brush and a little comb at the same time to get your edges a nice and light, okay? Real nice and laid. So now we even have a cap in here. Nice. Okay, so they really hooked the box up. Okay, it came with two. It's not one, but two. Okay, now let's open up this lace. Let's see what the lace is giving. Is it lacing? Is it not? What's it doing? Okay, so let's check it out. Let's take this hairnet off of it so we can really get into it, dive into it, see what it is and what it ain't. What's going on with this lace, huh? It looks like we're having a little malfunction, but just give me a second, guys. I got this. I got this, okay? Just have a little faith in the woo, okay? Okay, it looks like I officially got it out of the net. All right, so the front is actually lacing. It's not giving too much. We even got a band to make it tighter, make it looser, whatever you want at the comfort of your comfort, you know? We don't know what your comfort is, but what is your comfort? Yeah, so that's why we got the band, okay? It feels good. It looks good. Nice texture to it. The front is not, giving too much or too thick to where you have to pluck it too much. It's giving like that natural touch to it, that natural vibe, not doing too much. But as you guys can see, the lace is lacing, okay? All right, we are officially in scientist mode. So we have the 40 volume. That's going to be our mixture, and we're going to use the BW2, okay? So we are officially in scientist mode. So now, guys, we're going to do the mixture, okay? So when you do this mixture, you don't want to leave it on too long, okay? And you don't really have to kind of like measure it. You should just kind of see how big the lace is and just know. You don't really got to pour too much into that. And then we're just going to pour a dash of our BW2, mix it on up. We kind of want it more thick than water because we don't want it to be running everywhere. We want it to stay in one spot. Exactly where I laid you at is where I want you to stay. I don't want you running here and there, everywhere, there. Okay, so mix it on up and give it that nice thick texture. Nothing too runny because like I said, you don't want it running everywhere. Like, who do you think you are, the gingerbread man? No one can catch me? Like, come on, what's going on? But yes, guys, so now as you guys can see, it's not too runny. It's giving like that just right, and you don't have to use too much because we want to save. Less is more, okay, guys? So now we got our lace and we're gonna just kind of like open it up in the inside because we really don't want to be just wasting our product here, okay? So we want to open up in the inside, and that's where you're going to be laying it down at. Not the outside, but the inside. See that little drop? It's okay, don't worry. Just pick it on up. It's inside the lace, so you don't even really got to worry too much about that, okay? So now we're just applying our product on to give it that natural, nice look to it. All right, so now let me put you guys on real quick, right? So due to the fact that we are using the 40 volume instead of something smaller like the 20, the 10, we really got to keep our eye out on there because it is very strong. It's a lot stronger. It works faster. But if you're like, you really want it to sit, then I would recommend that you use a smaller volume. Like the 20 or the 10 would definitely be for you if you really just wanted to like let it sit and not be in a rush. You get what I'm saying? So like that would be the one that you would probably want to work with. But me, since I'm like kind of hands on and I just like know what I'm doing, I'm grooving, I'm moving. So I'm just using the 40, okay? But if you are a beginner and you're new to this, I would recommend that you use a 10 or a 20 just to kind of like not get that color change so quickly, okay? All right, so now we're just applying that product on, okay? Look at it. We're just getting it on everywhere, okay? That is what we are doing. That's what we want. So just take your time This is not really a rushing process. You don't got to rush it because you really don't want it to get on any piece of the hair. Because if you get it on the piece of the hair, what will happen is you will change that color as well. So what you really are trying to do is put it on the inside of the lace, and you don't want to like pat it too hard. You want to do it lightly so it doesn't go through the lace into the hair. You get what I'm saying? So you just want to do it real nice and light and take your time. Like I said, guys, it's not a rushing process. This is something where you're just taking your time to kind of give it that look that you're looking for, that nice, natural, cute look to it. And everybody gonna be like, is that a lace? And you're going to be like, lace where? This is my hair. Okay. Yeah. So this is what we want. That's what we want it to turn out to. So I'm giving you guys the 4, 1, 1 with the woo. Yeah. Okay. So again, not too hard. We are patting it on lightly. Okay. And we want it everywhere. Okay. So we could give that natural look to it. Okay, that is what we are doing. That is the 4, 1, 1. And don't worry if it falls here and it falls there. You just pick that baby right on up. That fall was nothing too hard to where it's gonna ruin the hair. And again, it's in the inside, so you don't even gotta worry too much about that. Okay, and I'm gonna be teaching you to save. Less is more. Don't forget, less is more. Okay, what I mean by that is not adding in too much product, because you really don't need too much product, okay? You just need a good amount, because don't forget, you're only doing the frontal. Now, if you were doing a full lace, that would be a different story. But since we're only doing the front, you only need a little bit of dash. And we are finito. All right, so this is how we are looking. I'm going to give you guys a full view because I want you guys to see everything. I will never leave you guys behind. I want you guys to see all the deets. So as you guys can see, we have it in the inside, and that is exactly how we want it. If you get it on the lace, that's okay, but what we don't want is to get the mixture into the hair. We don't want that. Alright, now this is the shampoo and the conditioner that I am about to use to wash this lace on up to get this product on out of here. Okay, so you want to let it set before you just get this product on out of here for about 20 minutes or so. Okay, so this is the results of 20 minutes. This is how we are looking. We are looking knotless, not wear. What? A lace wear? What? Come on. I know you see these results, and you guys don't worry about the color change, okay? You can always bring that back. All right, so now it is time to wash that baby on up. Okay, so let's get this product out of here. We are just gonna rinse it with some nice cold water, and actually if you want to put some hot water too, that is absolutely fine. Whatever to your liking, whatever is your desire, go ahead and do what you have to do, because it doesn't matter either way. It's going to get washed, it's going to get rinsed, and the product is going to get out. That is our main goal, is to get the product on out of here. What do we want? No product left behind. What do we need? No product left behind. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we want all the product out. Comb it through, and as you comb it through, that kind of gives it that not like stuck together kind of look, kind of feel to it, because you don't want it all matted up together. You really don't. You want it to be as easy as possible to comb through it. Okay, so comb through it with the comb as you water it down. All right, so now we're just applying on that soap to get all of the chemicals off. We want it all off. We don't want nothing left behind. So get that soap all in there. Get that soap everywhere. We want the hair to feel nice, good, to be clean, okay? Now, you want the hair to be soapy, because if it's not soapy, then you're just not doing it right. You got to throw some more. Throw some more soap on there, because you want it to be nice and soapy. Now we just combing it through, because we don't want it tangled up. This is not the movie Tangled. We do not need any of that. We want it nice, smooth. Run your fingers through the hair. Yes, as you guys can see, the hair was a little dirty. As you guys can see, the water doesn't look too clearly. Run that water down through it. You want it to give it that natural, nice, cleanness look to it for a good, clean feeling, no matter what. We are looking really good. Let me give you guys an up close and personal look. Look at that. Now that is what you call is giving. Yes, like this is really giving, okay? You can't tell me that this ain't giving. It is definitely giving, and you can't tell me that it's not. I mean, look at it. Look. Can you see? Open your eyes and realize that I'm telling the truth. All right, so now, guys, what you want to do is rinse off this bag. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually put the lace inside of this bag. And what we're going to do is going to be leaving you in shambles. You're going to be like, what? I didn't even know you could do that. But yes, you can. So now we're going to give it that extra emphasize on the extra, okay? We're going to give it that clean look to it. We're going to actually use some lemon. And we're going to pour that in there. Pour that in there. Just give it a little shake. Razzle dazzle it up. And we're going to let that baby sit on there. You're going to let it sit for a good 5 to 10 minutes. 15, just to be a little extra, you know. Let me show you guys the product that we're using right here. Lemon, got a little hair on it. Go ahead, take it off. Okay, boom, boom, bam. All right, we get it, we see it, we got it, noted. We got it. Take a screenshot. All right, so I hope you guys got that product. Bam, 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 boom. Make sure you guys got it. Take a screenshot if you need to. Bada boom, bada bang, so you can know when you go to the store, this is what I need. All right, now let's get our lace on out of the bag, and now it kind of gives it that softer, cleaner feel, look, touch to it, okay? And that's what we want. That's what we need. We don't want the hair to just be dirty. We want it to be clean, fresh, okay? So now we're gonna apply on our conditioner. It's time to condition it on up to make it really, really soft. I love this conditioner. It is like the perfectest conditioner to use. Like, I kid you not, okay? So now we're just going to run some water through the hair. And again, like I told you guys want to comb it through so that we are not tangled up. We don't want to be tangled. We want to be nice, soft, and smooth. Running that water through the hair to get that conditioner on out. That is the last product we will be applying to it, guys. And now we are just running it down with some water. So I'm pretty sure with the amount of wash, rinse that we did, this is going to be a real clean lace ready for your hair. It should be itchy free, ready to go, ready to install, okay? Okay. Like I told you guys, I will be giving you guys the 411, like duh. Now let's take a close look. Give us a look, boo. Let us see. What? Y'all see that? Did y'all see the beginning? And then now do you guys see the end? Do you see that scalp? Do you see that? Like, come on. What's it giving? It's giving a natural. You just got the 411 with the woo. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.